May I come in, sir? Yes. Hey, how are you?
Oh my god, I have forgotten his name. He has got a good body, that's why I remember him. I think he has forgotten my name. Let me help him. What was his
Sir,
name?
I just wanted to apologize to you because last night at the party we were having a great conversation regarding communication, and suddenly my friend called, "Hey, Rashid, we are getting late. We have to go to another party." So, sir, I had to go. Can we proceed now? Hey, come on. Who minds all those things? It happens. I didn't mind. Yeah, let's continue. That discussion was very interesting. I know, I know. You also face these kind of situations on a day-to-day basis, isn't it? And you don't know how to tackle these situations with the use of proper communication skill, the way that black t-shirt guy did and went on with the conversation. I know that in the past you missed many important conversations in between because you don't have proper communication skill. And because of that, you felt dejected and frustrated from inside. I know for a fact. But don't worry, I'm not going to let it happen anymore in your life. Hi, this is Rashid, your confidence and communication coach. I have come up with a 3-hour workshop where I will teach you exactly how to tackle these kind of situations in your day-to-day life. Not only that, I will make you a super communicator who can easily get promotion at office, who can easily have conversations with friends and enemies, family members and partner, and become a superhero, a real life superhero. How to become that? There's a number below on the screen. Dial that number and I will tell you exactly how to become a superhero. See you inside my program.